It's a beat with the sound of waves. Wrote your name in a sunny haze. We drift with dreams on island flow. We made a rhythm only we know. You sang sweet in the ocean breeze. Turned my silence into symphony. Now every green beneath my toes plays a note only my heart knows. Beachside melody, you and me, floating free in a reggae key. The tide sings back in harmony to a love that moves so naturally. Beachside melody, loud and clear. Even if you're far, it brings you near. Shells and secrets in our hands. We wrote our story in the sand. You spun and smiled like summer wind. That's where forever did begin. Now I replay that sweet refrain every time I hear the rain. The sea don't lie, it holds our tune. Still sings it soft beneath the moon. Beachside melody, you and me, floating free in a reggae key. The tide sings back in harmony to a love that moves so naturally. Beachside melody, loud and clear. Even if you're far, it brings you near. And if we ever drift away, this song will find you where you stay. Our love still playing by the sea, forever in that beachside melody.